Hello, welcome back. So in today's video, we will be learning about something new. So you may have seen this symbol called pi. Pi, here's a fact. It is a Cyrillic character similar to the letter P. I think that's how you say it, P. But pi is both a Greek and Russian term for P. But in our in English calculator, this is to represent approximately 3.14 or 3 and 14 hundredths in measurement. However, I'll call it 3.14 because, as usual, it's approximate. It's not exactly completely. So how are we going to figure out the surface area using this? So we have to multiply 2 times for each of these sides with the pi and the radius with the same number repeated twice, and do the same this time with only one radius number and the height. Okay, so let's begin. So here we are looking for the radius. Uh, hmm, the radius I believe was across the base. 20 feet is across the base. So across the base is basically a reference to it actually really means a diameter because it's across the base. 20 feet is supposed to the across the base is supposed to simply mean diameter. And if it's 20 feet, so what you have to do when it comes to radius, you have to divide 20 by 2 in order to get your radius. And we know that 20 divided by 2 is 10, so 10 is our radius. Now let's multiply the numbers. So 2 times 3.14, go ahead and check it on the calculator, times 10, we'll put it here in order to do the order of operations. So there's a little superscript 2 here that shows you have to multiply this 10 times. 10 times 10 will give you 100, and 2 times, and then now we're just gonna do 2 times 3.14. 2 times 3.14 will give us 600 and sorry, not 628, 6.28. And as usual, we have to continue multiplying this because that's how we're gonna get our answer. So 6.28 times 100. So whenever you're multiplying a decimal by 100, you will get the same number but without the decimal. 8 times 0 is 0. We're all gonna get 0 for that. 0, 0, and 0. That's the same thing for this one. Let me clear this thing out real quick. Alright. Oops, I'm gonna use the pencil since that's what I was using. Alright, so we have 2 zeros complete. This 0. We have done that 0. Now all we gotta do is this 1. 1 times 8 is 8. This is all easy. 2 and 6. Alright, let me double check. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 0, 0, 8. 0 plus 0 plus 8 is 8. and 2 and 6. Now what we need to find is decimal. 1, 2, it goes 2 times, so decimal pops up here. Teleported successfully. Now we just so we're gonna switch this decimal here 1, 2 times. So you're gonna get the answer of 628. 628. Basically, our answer was already given to us here plainly, but you still gotta do the steps correctly. Now we have to do the same step again. We're gonna write out. I think it's better for you to use a pencil. So, like for some weird reason, I put it so small in the measurement. The what do you call this? The ratio of this thing just went so small. So 628 plus what was the other one? 628 plus. So we have 2 times 3.14, which we knew was 6.28. Let me draw a big decimal right there so that you guys can spot that. 6.28. So 2 times 3.14, okay, 6.28, times the radius, which was 10, times the height. So 6.28 times 10. Let's do one number at a time. The radius was 10. Okay, 10. And we also have the height. The height is 40 feet tall. But we'll do that one later. 8 times 0 is 0. 2 times... Well, they're all zeros. 1 times 8 is 8. 1 times 2 is 2. Okay. This decimal moves 2 times, so it should look like this. 1, let me check how many times. 1, 2. So 62.8. Alright, 62.8. Let's erase that. 62.8. I'm gonna make you bigger so that I won't waste time. 62.8 was the answer. Okay, so back. So 62.8. Now all we gotta do is we're gonna multiply 62.8 with 40. 40. Okay, 40. Sorry for that, guys. My little brother was just there. I don't want to get you interrupted. But anyways, 62.8 times 40. 0. Shoot, I don't have a lot of space. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna write 62.8 very, very tiny. So it's pixeled. I hope you can see it. 0 times 0, 0 times 8, 0. All those are zeros. 4 times 8, that's 32, because 8, 16, 24, 32. 2 times 4 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. Because 8 plus 2 is 10. And 6 times 4 is 24, plus 1 is going to give you 25. Alright, so here we have it. 0, 2, 1, 5, 2. Now how many times does the decimal move? Just one time. So our answer is going to be 2512. Now, whether this is just a coincidence on most problems or not, whenever you're multiplying by a decimal, you're gonna get a plain answer here, so you don't need to, so I don't think you need to do this addition and the finding of the answer, because you already have the answer in there. So 2512, or 2500, oops, that's gonna be our other answer. Don't worry, that's very tiny that how I drew that thing. So 2512. So 628 plus, oops, I wrote it reverse. 2152. 2512. Okay. Our answer is gonna be here. 8 plus 2 is 10. 1 plus 2, okay, 2 plus 2 is 4. 2 plus 1 is 3 plus 1 is 4. So, and then 6 plus 5, we know that's 11 because 5 plus 5 is 10. 1 plus 2 is 3. So 3140, so 3140 is our square feet. Hold on. So I just had to confirm on the calculator, and whenever you guys have that opportunity, you should do that too if you have a calculator, because you always want to double check on on your answers. I know that sounds like cheating, but really it's not. There's a difference between double checking and cheating. When you double check, you are at least double checking does not always mean cheating. It looks like it is, but really it's a good thing to do, double checking. So 3140 was the confirmed answer um, of our square feet, anyways. But that's all for today's video. If you enjoyed learning something new today, wow, that looks like a mess. Anyways, if you enjoyed learning something new today, feel free to click the like button. And if someone needs this, if someone is trying to solve this but has the same issue, go ahead and please show this to them so that they can solve it easily. And you can comment anything about this video, about the feedback and your ideas. And you can go ahead and like, subscribe, and turn the notification bell to receive more content update that's related to this. And I hope that you guys are doing well. Please continue to take care, and remember that you guys are amazing. God bless, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.